Delivery video. Just got the call from the driver. He's on his way. He's actually in Salisbury, North Carolina, and he is delivering my car and kit tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. So we're excited. The only problem is he can't get in my neighborhood, so we're gonna have to put the car chassis on some dollies and then put all the boxes in the back of the truck, and then probably keep the boy out of school and pull it to the house. I believe that's how I did it last time, because I know that 53-foot trailer cannot fit in my neighborhood. So keep that in mind. If you're like me, you live in a cul-de-sac area, you cannot fit that big truck in there. So we'll help him out. This is gonna be cool. Okay, we're as ready as we're going to be. Garage is swept up. We got engine over here out of the way, rear end out of the way, new parts stacked up, tools are ready to go, and it gets here tomorrow at 9 a.m. So we're ready for it, ready for the huge stage, which is getting your kit. The first part's kind of boring because we got to run through the inventory, make sure we got everything, but after that, it's off to the races. All right, we're here waiting to get our U-Haul trailer, because we're gonna need it to haul it up to our house, because my helper had a test this morning, so we couldn't keep him out of school. So we're here early to get this thing and get back to the house, because my man from Stewart Transportation will be there at 09:30. So we got to get this thing, get back, load it up, get in the garage. Called the lady and her meds hasn't kicked in yet. So we're waiting for her meds to kick in so we can pick up our trailer. Patiently. There she is. Let's get it. All right, we're down by the creek waiting on my man to get here. I don't know how we're gonna put these roller skates on here. We'll figure it out. He has to drive through our neighborhood, and then I'm gonna face him out on this side where we'll load up. 953 miles from Wareham, Massachusetts. It has arrived. Now we gotta load it up and get it the next 200 yards up the hill. Yeah. Tell me that ain't exciting. It's freaking awesome. All right, let's coordinate what we got. Kelly's not too happy that he had to come through the neighborhood. A few trees in the way. Let's get it unloaded. Okay, we got it up here. I don't know how I'm gonna get off this trailer, because the whole dolly thing wouldn't work because you got that right there situation. So it's actually sitting over, not on the frame. So I'm hoping I can get it with the shop crane. We'll see. Half the neighborhood's mad at me because we bought the entrance to both the big neighborhood and our neighborhood. I'm sure we get a couple emails about that. That's all right. Let's see if we can get it unloaded. All right, this is pretty sketchy, but it's an idea. So jack the trailer up so the shop crane can get under the tire. I've got it hooked to the transmission tunnel. I'm hoping to get it up enough to get it away from the trailer. We'll see. This is gonna work. Okay, made some progress. It's lifting it, take the door off, get the angle, lower the trailer, slide it up,
and minimal body damage. Harder than Humvee. Okay. It's only going on 3 dollies.
Whew, man, that was a workout. I'm glad I didn't go work out this morning because that was a workout. That was sketch. Didn't do any damage to the body, which is really good. And we got 20 boxes here. I know they're labeled 28. But we're gonna have to go through all these, make sure we got some build sheets, check off, make sure we got everything. And I'll probably start with box 1 and then move it to the dining room because I don't have any space in here. So, but that's it, man. This here, we got almost everything we need to build this whole car. The only thing we are missing would be the transmission. So that's on its way. And paint, that's the easy part. Tires, wheels and tires, also easy, just bolt them on. But it's all here, and now it's off to the races, building Project Cobra. Woo! Hanging out at the polo there.